Right, Mickey? Right, guys? You love to be out here. Are you guys gonna stay here? Are you guys going to stay here? Hmm? It's nice to have a Jeep. That's my dream car, a Jeep or a Buick. Oh, sorry. No, you guys can get in. Oh, you guys, I have some question, guys. You guys, if you're from abroad, if you're working abroad, OFW, can you guys tell me how often? Oh, I know some of you guys that come home every 2 years, or you have a vacation. How many years before you go back to the Philippines and visit your family? And I'm gonna need more water. I need to drink more water. I'm not really a water drinker, but I have to keep drinking water if I wanna lose weight. Sometimes I don't drink even one glass a day. No, sometimes no water a day. Sometimes it's just ridiculous. What are you guys doing? Oh, not my sleeper. Not my sleeper, please. Roxy. It is 10 minutes remaining time from this vlog. Yeah. I've been in the couch just on my computer, and then when I saw the cats under my foot, I said, oh my god, I don't feed my kids. And plus I have a laundry waiting for me downstairs. So okay then, so I guess I have to do my laundry, feed the cat first, then that's it. Having dinner. We're gonna have dinner soon. Come here. Come here, Dimple. Hubsy boy, come here. He feels very lonely, and the two dogs are here waiting for me to open the gate. Did you even guys eat? Did you guys eat? Did you eat your din? Good morning. Good morning, guys. I will put you now over there for now, because I'm giving some coffee for my baby. Yeah, I need to get something. Sugar. Yes. How's your morning, guys? Why is she down? This is my waist trainer, guys. Look. It's really big right now. I have a big stomach. And then Han, you still want more coffee later? What? And I'm going later to my friend, and I'm gonna bring her something like rice, because she don't have rice. She don't have nothing to eat for, I think, later or tomorrow. So sorry, coffee here. Paper jam. You still have some papers here. Are you gonna use this? Hi guys, we're doing a grocery today. I don't know where I'm gonna put this camera on. Hold on. I think I will put you guys over here. I don't know if it will work. Let's see.
That's gonna fall right off there.
Huh?
I'll fall right off there.
Okay, like that. Hold it. The front camera is in here. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Grocery and my husband's holding the phone. And he looks at holding the phone with the tongue out. With the tongue out. With the tongue out. Oh, that's scary. People have to walk in the center of the lane. We have to do that.
Because they're all morons.
I'm just gonna follow her butt. Do I have to do this to her? Or bump? Huh? No, you can't do it, huh? I have to let her pass.
Otherwise, she just. Space right there. Nice space right there.
I don't see it.
Hello? Hello? Roger. What's going on? Yeah. All right. Okay.
What?
You want lime juice?
What?
Lime juice?
No. Where are we going?
I don't know. I need to get mayonnaise.
Why there's no, there's still one in there. I can
know.
transfer
I need
it.
one at work too. So
Oh,
no. I try to transfer. Forget it. The whole one is like this.
is it very small?
Yeah. Forget it. It's not worth it out. Because I always used to transfer it to the mustard and stuff, but nah, I'm not doing it. It's too much pain in my ass.
Where are we going? Can you help me here?
What? You can drive a car, but you can't drive a car?
Or something.
No, I want.
Sorry. Huh? This is what happened, guys. If we do grocery, it takes forever. It takes forever. He's right there forever. Come here. Come here, Misty. Misty, come here. Up, up here. Up, 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 up. Yes, up. No, don't bite my hand. Misty. Misty, the black dog. The black Dorothy dog. And the other one is coming, of course. Look at that. She sit out. She's trying to sit up. She's trying to sit up. She's trying to sit up for you guys. Duh. Duh. My little boy is right here. You guys.
You don't see the feet?
No.